Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can add your WhatsApp status to your Instagram story. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes. Also, please don't forget to write your comments after watching this video. And let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open up the Instagram app. And let's say you put a story on Instagram. As you can see, I already have a story posted. And let's say if you want to share it on WhatsApp, make it very easy. To do this, open the story. At the bottom, tap More and next select Share. Now in this list of apps, scroll through, find WhatsApp, tap on it. In this way, it will open the automatic WhatsApp. Now you will have to select My Status. Next, you will click on Next. And thus, as you can see, the link to your Instagram story is copied. And if you intend to share it, then you just need to click Next. This way you share your story on Instagram, WhatsApp, and this way it can be seen by more people and more of your friends. Friends, this is the very simple way you can add your Instagram story to a status in the app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to our channel, also write your comments. See you soon.